Good day, people. Today I'm going to show you how to make money in Forex without you trading. So this is not an affiliate something. This is nothing else. All you have to do is just follow my video and I will show you the best way to make money in Forex without trading. Whether you're an expert, whether you are a beginner in Forex, whether you are intermediate or whatever level you are right now in Forex, or you are new to Forex, you can still make 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, or up to even 10,000 without trading in Forex. I'm just going to show you a very short way that I have explored and I know it works perfect. And here you are not gonna lose money. So let's just get started right away. If you are new to our channel, just make sure that you are subscribed and like this video in appreciation for the content, because I'm going to teach you in a very simple step on how to receive, how to get your first payout from Forex without you knowing how to trade at all. So this is beginners friendly, this is intermediate friendly, or whatever level of trading you are just right now. So let's get started. I'm going to use the broker XM right now. So XM is the one that I have used, and I'm going to show you how to use XM to make money without trading. And let's just keep started. So if you want to join XM, you can use the link in the video description, or you can just go Google XMN. But probably it would be nice if you go straight with the link for you not to go on wrong brokers or wrong websites. As you can see here in XM, you can just open a position. I mean, you can just open an account here with just click open an account anywhere. I'm already having accounts right here on this broker, so I'm just going to go straight to my account. As you can see here, I have more than they can allow you to create multiple accounts on XM. So I have more than 7 accounts right here on XM. So I'm on this new account I've just created right now, so I'm just gonna show you, and I'll go log in into my old accounts just to show you how things work. So as you can see right now here, we are on this broker here. XM is really great, so it allows you to get these bonuses all the time. So they give you bonuses, you can deposit it, they give 50% bonus and 20% bonus also, and they can also mostly give you 100% bonus. They do it mostly every time they feel like they want to give away bonuses. So they have a lot of ways to get prizes here, but I'm not going to talk about competitions. I'm not going to talk about any competition or anything. So this is basically just a simple way that you're gonna get yourself money without you knowing how to trade, and this is absolutely great and it's gonna work for you. I know, as long as you follow this video all the way to the end, this is absolutely gonna work for you. Let's just keep digging right away. As you can see, guys, so as you can see right now, we have all the pages here, we have all the tips above here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna try copy trading. So this sounds basically maybe not sounding good, but let's just gonna click on explore my copy trading. But before you go there, to make sure that you have verified your account by using your ID and also your proof of address or proof of residence to verify your account. So what I want you to do is just click right here, explore my copy trading account, and you'll be taken into a dashboard that looks like this. So basically what they are showing here, they are showing you people who are trading and people who you can copy. So what is copy trading? I'm going to explain that in just few minutes. So right here you have time to go through all these traders here. You have time to go through all of them here. You can see all the featured traders. You can see all the best performing traders right now here on XM. We can see their graphs. You can see their graphs, they're showing their growth right here, and you can also just copy this is not a signal something, so this is not a signal where we're gonna get signal or something like that. This is autopilot thing that works without you doing anything. You can put money on this thing and you can go away for months and you find your money grown. You can go away for weeks and you find this is absolutely gonna crash, guys. I'm telling you right now because I know it works. So let's see. Let's see right now. Let's say what's right here. So if you come to the copy trading, come to the copy trading dashboard, it looks just like this. So what you wanna do, you don't wanna look at everybody here. Maybe you wanna look at best performers because you wanna see who is doing absolutely great right now. So you can go back and you can go forth, just scrolling. Let's go forth and see who is there. You can just keep scrolling and see who is there right now, who you wanna copy, or just look at their statistics. So I'm going to go through few people that I have already gone through first. I'm just going to go through few profiles and I wanna show you how much you can deposit and how much you can make from this copy trading thing that is offered by XM broker. So XM has been around, that's why I use it. I like brokers that are trustworthy. I'm not gonna put my money into just a broker, so I'm gonna look for brokers that are meaningful. As you can see right now, this person has about 1100, not 1100, actually just about 115 people who copied him, and this one has about 330. This one has about 82 people who are following them and they are copying them. So that basically these people have copied their trade, and this one has about 1.6, and this one has about 600 people. This one has 200. So there are a lot of people copying here. So let's get started with this one here. This one is Raza, whatever the name is. That's not our concerns. So let's look through his profile and see what is his achievement in Forex. As you can see, this person, let me just check on if I can check on 30 days, 90 days. Let me see on 90 days or all time. So as you can see, this person have just started in October. Let me see when he start opening a position somewhere here. He started just about few days ago, like 5 days ago, and then he got about you have to deposit a $50 on your account. It's a minimum, and you can just copy trade by clicking a copy trade right here. Just click on copy strategy, and then every time this person is opening a position, it also opens a position on your trading account, and by then you are earning money every time the person is taking profit, and when he's losing, you're also losing. So basically he just copies everything he's doing. All you're gonna do is just deposit money here, you copy trade somebody, and then your money start flowing in every time the person is trading. As you can see, this person took about 78 trades and he got about 100. He got about 78 trades and he got about 100% win. So he didn't lose anything in 78 trades. As you can see, you can go through his history here. He's trading mostly GBP USD. I think that's the only pair this guy is trading, and he's been making money since he started trading this one few days ago. So about 78 trades, 100% win rate. So but don't this person has been here only for a few days, so it's not really proven that he can go 100% for the whole month. So let's just check back. But the good thing about it is that the risk he's taking here is taking few risks. 0.05 is what he's taking here, so the risk is very low. Probably he's worth trying. So let's go check on another one. So you can see this one have a return of 1032 in just 3 days. Let's go check our calculator, guys. Let me say this person has 1032%, that is divided by 100. Okay, time is, let me say you deposit a $50, time is, so basically by now in 3 days your account could be running at 516. In just 3 days the person has been trading this account. So let's just go on another. Let me just go on another one and see what you can find here. So let's just jump on anybody. So let me check maybe this one right here. Let's see how his profile has been growing in the past days and when did he join and how he's performing. You can see this person have started on October. It's because their copy trading is about like a month and a few days right now. So this one has started also in October. Let me just check in 90 days. You can see he got about 773% gain in a $50 minimum. That's great also. But something that you want to also look at, the fees. So this fees is the amount of money that will be deducted from your account when you are withdrawing. So let me say you are withdrawing. Yeah, let me say you made $500 as a profit and want to withdraw that $500. So they're gonna deduct 25% of that 500. That's basically going to be 200. It's basically going to be maybe 250 or something. Because if it's 100, they're gonna deduct 25. So that's basically going to run at 100 something somewhere there. I'm not sure, but basically they're gonna deduct 25%. And for you to be safe, you wanna look at somebody who can trade good and they have low fees. So you wanna look at somebody who trades better and they have their fees a bit lower. As you can see, these guys have fees going up 25 and they have 30 fees, and there are people who have 15, there are people who have 5% fees, and you can see there are people who have 10% fees. So basically you want to see which one really fits your portfolio. Let me say you want to deposit $1,000. You want to look at somebody who really can grow that account, people who really gonna grow that, and they have low fees for you to pay. So let me just check this one, how much of the fees he got. 30, let me say he got 30% fees. Or and let me say you wanna invest $1,000 here. Let's just check his percentage return. He got a percentage return in just 1 month. He got percentage return of 1029. So let me just cancel everything here. 1029 divided by 100 is basically just 10 point. And let me say you have invested $1,000. You can see you made up to more than 10,000 already in just 1 month of this copy trade. That's gonna be a whole lot of money. So basically you can make a lot of money doing this. So you can copy trade. Let me say you are a beginner, you just want to deposit money on a copy trade, and you can also have your own account that you are trading on your own, and you have that one for copy trading. It just gives you enough income streams. You know, if you blow up your account, so you're gonna wait for to fund using the copy trading account, because the copy trading account will also make money on its own. It's like more on an investment, as long as you make sure that you choose the right profile, the profile that can really gains you some amount of money, the profile that you know has a track record of making enough money in the past month or in the past days. So you just want to monitor who is really going to be good for you, having low fees and also having enough profits, and they are not having high risk. They are not risking a lot when it comes to their account. So you want to look more on these guys, just come straight to the XM platform, and then you can look for information yourself on the copy trade. Just go through everybody who you want to go through. Just try see whoever you want to copy. Just go through, have enough time to go through everybody. So as you can see, this, let me say this person right here who have this gains of 1029% in the past 1 month, this person has about 64 trades, and the worst loss that he made was about 21 cents, which is absolute really, like, it's not a lot of money at all. The good thing is that the minimum deposit is 100, and you can see his wins are right here. So you can see his wins are right here, and his trade history are all shown here with only one loss of 21 cents. That's absolutely just a grateful a really great trading plan he got, maybe, or strategy that he got, that gives him all that earnings in just the past few days. So thank you guys for watching one of my video. So if you feel like this is information was appreciable, so probably just give me a like or something. Make sure that you give me a comment, say whatever you want to say in the comment down below. If you got a question, just ask there. Our link will also be in the description. Probably you want to join with our link in XM, or you want to just go Google XM yourself. It's up to you guys. So see you again on the next video.